look at the weather here in Vegas. Nissan Armada 2010, I believe. Good. Lock. Lock. What the hell? Unlock. Oh. Lock. Something is wrong there. Ooh, it is hot. Look at that. No clouds. No clouds, but it's breezy. I need to wear my hat. UTI. Alright. Let's do this. Okay. We'll get Wilson right here. Put him right there. There you go. Okay, good. Let's see, I'm gonna take this out. Oh man, it's hot. Alright. Good. Don't drop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stay. Oh. Okay, where did it go? Right there. Good. Just pop out. Yep. Pops out. Whew. Look at how shade. Crazy heat in Vegas. There's Wilson. Oh. There's another one right here. See it? Let's just get this done. 55, 56. There you go. Come on. Oh, okay, good. Hold it with your knee. And here, just pull. So press, pull. Next, like this. See it right there. Press, pull, there. Press, pull. This one, pull it out. There, pull it up. Good. Next, same thing as this. Pull it out. Pull up. Good. And then, okay, that's it. What we have here is the light. Whoa. Should open this first. There. So, press down here. Pull. Press. Pull. Dang it. Here, this one's easier. Down, right here. There. Pull. Alright. Let's take out this side. side. Dang, this thing is so sticky. Go to here. What's this? Take that out. Oh, that's hard. Huh. Let's do this side. This is T30. Sarap. This. There's something there then. Huh. Oh, it goes over here, I bet. There's another cable in here. There's another cable going up. Take it out. Something over here. Yep. What is that? 10. You got something like a magnet.
Don't do that shit. What's wrong with you?
I'm gonna go to Walmart. Mom needs me to return this, and I need to buy shampoo and conditioner. I thought you heard me. I opened the door. I said, Dad.
I didn't even hear you. Freaking scared me.
You need anything from Walmart?
No, I'm good, thank you. My daughter just scared me. I didn't even hear her come out. This, put it like this. Or even just like that. There, push it in. See that? And it fall. Good. Leave that there. Next one. See? Pull this out. Okay, there you go. See how it is? Just like that. There. Good. Now I can just go in there. Oh man. Let's put this. Dang it, come on, man. Screwdriver. Push it in. Dang it, that didn't work. No, can't do it like that. Okay, the battery just died. Put another battery. Let's just pull the cable. Get stuck in wood. stuck, man. One cable. Let's pull the other cable. There, like that. I'm gonna take out the connector. Huh. Okay, I think I know what to do. This hook. Dang it. Can't do it. This track. Or whatever you call it. I don't know what's this. It's blocking. Let's just unscrew this. Whoa. I think it'll work. That. Oh yeah, put it down like that. Pop these two out. Drop down. There we go. Now, you see it? Let me get this. Yes. See how it is? Pull up. Easy. Okay, now for the new one. Got this in Amazon. Made in China, of course. Looks the same. Looks good. Looks good. Right. So this is the old one. This is the new one. Gotta time lapse it now. Good. All right, Wilson. Thank you for your help.
Wilson, where are you?
Lock. Unlock. No more noise. That's it.